Hello students, today I am going to teach you Lord Ullins' Daughter. Lord Ullins' Daughter by Thomas Campbell. Okay, so as usual, I'll write first stanza on the screen and then I'll explain it. A chieftain to the highland bound. A chieftain to the highlands bound. Cries, boatsmen, do not tarry. Cries, boatmen, do not tarry. And I'll give thee a silver pound. And I'll give thee a silver pound to row us over the ferry. To row us over the ferry. Okay. First of all, I'll tell you the rhyme scheme of the poem. Last word of the first line of the stanza is bound. So I'll write A in front of it. Then tarry. They don't rhyme. So B. Pound. Pound is rhymed with A. Bound. So I'll write A over here. Then ferry means B. So rhyme scheme of this stanza is A, B, A, B. Okay. Now I'll write its difficult meanings of the difficult words. Chieftain means chief of a clan. Chief of a clan. Highlands means uplands in Scotland. Uplands in Scotland. Bound means ready to go. I'll write it over here. Ready to go. Tarry means delay. Row means move. Moving a boat through water using oars. Moving a boat through water using oars. Ferry means a place where boats are stationed. Place where boats are stationed. Okay. Now I'll explain the stanza. A chieftain means chief of a clan, bound to the Scottish Highland cries, boatmen, don't delay. He promised him a silver pound for rowing them over the ferry. Okay, he just promised to give the boatman silver pound and he requested him to row them over the ferry. Ferry means the place where boats are parked. Okay. Now I'll ask one or two questions. First of all, what is the meaning of the phrase do not tarry? What is the meaning of the phrase do not tarry? And its answer is do not delay or do not delay or stay. My second question is why did chieftain promise to give a silver pound to the boatman? And answer is to row them over the ferry. Clear? Now, second stanza is now who be ye? Now, who be ye would cross Lochigal this dark and stormy weather. Oh, I am the chief of Alva's Island. Oh, I am the chief of Alva's Island. And this Lord Ullins' daughter. And this Lord Ullins' daughter. Again rhyme scheme. A, B, A, B. And the meaning of the difficult words are ye, Ye means you. Stormy, violent due to storm. Alva's Isle, island of Alva. Chief means chieftain. This, this girl or lady. This girl or lady means Ullins Daughter. Now see the paraphrase. The boatman, now who be ye, would cross Lochigal this dark and stormy weather. The boatman asks, who is that person who is bent on crossing Lochigal in such a dark and stormy weather? Oh, I am the chief of Alva's Isle and this Lord Ullins' daughter. So then the chief says, oh, and the man replies and chief replies that he is the chief of Alva's Island and this lady is Lord Ullins' daughter. He just introduced himself to the boatman. Why now my first question is why the boatman was surprised that the man why the boatman was surprised to see that man. Because the man answer is because the man wanted to cross Lochigal in such a dark and stormy weather. Who is I in these lines? The chief of Alva's Island is I. In these lines, the word this here stands for the word this here stands for the girl or the lady about whom the chief was talking. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you.